Good day and welcome to our demo on the Sage Business Cloud Accounting app. Today we'll go through a few features of this app and how the app can work for you. You will open up the mobile app and log in with the same email and password used on the website. There's no need for additional logins. You will see a dashboard with all your company details. You can then click on the Customers tab and this will provide you with a listing of all the customers created on your SBCA. You can search for an existing customer from here and even create a new customer account. I have just searched for my customer account, which is a BR001, and have opened up this account by clicking on it. Here, you will see all the customer's details. You can edit this customer account by clicking on the top left where it says, Edit Info. I have decided to enter in the customer's tax number. This will then update the customer's details as soon as I go through each page and once I click on Save. You can update any particulars of this customer and other details such as contact name, telephone number, email addresses, their physical and postal addresses and much more. You can even change their price lists, statement distribution methods and their account terms with you. Click on Save and the customer account has been updated. I'm now going to create an invoice for this customer. You can open up the customer account and click on More on the top and then click on Add Invoice. It will then open up the invoice screen, where you will see this same customer details and notice that their tax number has been updated. Check the customer details to ensure that this is the correct customer's details, then click on Invoice Details where you will enter the reference. The date will populate with the current date and the due date is worked out from the account terms. Once you're done with that, click on the plus sign below document lines. This is where you enter in the items to be invoiced. I have selected the clear skin soap item and edited the quantity to be 10. If you click on the Line Settings tab, this allows you to edit the unit exclusive price to the customer. You can search for an item as well instead of sifting through all the items, which is less time consuming. I am going to add in the healing soap as another item to this customer's invoice and as well as I have changed the quantity to be 20 from 1. At the bottom, you will now see the breakdown of the invoice figures. Click on Save to process this invoice and you should get a pop-up saying that this invoice is now saved successfully. As you can see, creating an invoice is a simple process. Once the invoice is processed, the invoice listing opens up and at the top, you can see that this invoice is now processed. I have opened it up to verify all details. If this customer has paid you, you can capture a receipt to this invoice by clicking on the Add Receipt function on the top. The reference populates from the invoice and you can select which bank account this monies have been paid to, add in descriptions, the receipt date and as well as the payment method used by the customer. You will see that the receipt is allocated to this invoice as well. Click Save and now the receipt has been captured towards this invoice and this customer account. You will get a pop-up for when the receipt has been captured and another if it has been allocated successfully. The receipt listing opens up so that you can view the receipts. From the menu at the bottom, you can view your invoice listings and I have opened up INV4, which we have captured for customer ABR001. You can see the status of this invoice from here as well as share this invoice. From the menu at the bottom, you can also view your customer quotes listing, to which I haven't done any hence there's no quotes populating in here. When you click on More from the menu at the bottom, there is added functionality like creating a supplier, managing items to view quantity on hand and even create a new item to be added to your inventory listing. You can also capture and view customer receipts and credit notes as well. When you are done using the mobile app, you can click on Log Out and exit the app. Back to home from the menu and onto our dashboard, you will see a to-do list from here. We can add important tasks to our calendar and you will receive notifications when these tasks are upcoming and due. From here, click on Add Task. I am adding in a task for a consulting meeting with the client ABR001. You can enter in the start date as well as due date. Set this accordingly to your events and tasks to receive reminders. Click on Save at the bottom to save this task and you should get a pop-up saying that this task is now saved. The to-do list screen will now open up and there's two tabs on it, one for overdue tasks and the other for all tasks that were created. The task now created populates onto the calendar for the day in the calendar section of the to-do list in the mobile app. making sure you are always on time for your next appointment and so that you can plan your day accordingly. The dashboard also provides you with a profit and loss report, so at any time and anywhere, you can gain insights to see how profitable your company is. You can also see how much of monies are sitting in your bank accounts at any given point in time and as well as view the transactions in these accounts. I have opened up my main bank account and I can see the customer receipt that I have captured for ABR001 is in here and ready to be reviewed. You can open up the transaction to view its details and check its allocations. As we can see here, this receipt is allocated to INV4. You can view the rest of the bank accounts and its balances and transactions. So there's no need to log into your actual banking app. That brings us to the end of our demo on the mobile app. The mobile app is a revolutionary tool for you to run and monitor your business from the palm of your hand. Contact us now and we can schedule an appointment to get your mobile app linked and set up. Thank you for watching this video. From the Ukhozi Systems team.